Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitchin with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be starting this one, and I'm just going to call it Flower Carts, and we're going to be starting right over here in these pink flowers, and the color today is 894, and it's kind of a peachy pink, if you will. So yeah, and I got my little cat needle minder, so yay. How we doing, peeps? Let me pull you this way so we can see what's going on here. Holy cow. And I do have this upside down because it was the best place to start. I wasn't starting with the half cross stitch today, so yay. Oh, I'm so glad it's Thursday. You have no idea. It's been a week, an absolute week. It's been in the 50s, but yet yeah, there's been some wind, and yeah, so I wouldn't call it warm. I would say it was warmer than the weekend was, because the weekend was like frigid. So, yay. Oh, geez. Not sure. Whoops. I did that backwards. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Oh, goodness. I gotta figure out what I'm doing here. There's a little red line right there, and that's what threw me off, so. Okay, we can talk now and stitch at the same time. Holy cow. Unless it's just the way the light's hitting it, but we're gonna stay away from it. I gotta run to the grocery store today and go pay bills. It's that time of the month. Yay! Fun day ahead. What can I say? But I don't think I'm gonna go out until a little bit later, when it gets a little bit warmer, because I got no reason to be there at the crack of dawn, you know. So that's a good thing. There are days when I have to go do the running, and I'm there at the grocery store by 6:30 in the morning. That's just not even gonna happen, because we're past all that. So yeah, no. And I had debated going, you know, right after work last night, but I changed my mind. Totally. Just totally. There was just a slight breeze. I mean, I wouldn't say that it was too horribly bad, but yeah, I'd already been cold from being at work and having to go out in the elements and stuff. I was done. Yeah. Just absolutely done. So I just came home and sat and vegged until it was time to go to bed. But I thought we'd start up here with some kind of a darkish color, because it seems like everything, like either at the top or the bottom is half cross stitch. It's that shading color, and that wasn't really pretty, so I saw this pink and just went for it. So I hope today will be as good as yesterday. They said we're supposed to have some snow flurries today, so nothing too tremendous. So I am thrilled with that part. Well, it's a real pretty pink after it gets stitched and you get more than one stitch next to it. So we'll see. This doesn't look like it has too much confetti in it at all. Probably end up stitching on my mandala today, and I want to get my rabbit in the library so I can finish that top area. Well, top area, it's actually the middle of it that I had been working on, that seat that they were sitting in, and then I can go from there. I'm not real sure where that's going to be, but there was still some to do in that area. And excuse me, been out in the wind yesterday, so I'm all stuffed up. You'd think I had some kind of hay fever. Anyway, before I forget, I did have a viewer send me a picture of a project that they finished, and I'll put that right in here. Thank you, Sharon. It is beautiful. And by your email, I wasn't sure if it was a diamond painting or a cross stitch. So if you could comment below, but it's beautiful. She saw that I was doing a mandala stitch, so that's where I got kind of confused. So yeah, but beautiful, and congratulations on the finish. I don't know when she finished it, but yeah, she said she had it hanging in one of her rooms at her house. Gorgeous. If anybody else has any projects they are working on or that they've finished and they'd like to share, it doesn't have to be a just now finish. It can be, you know, one that was in the past. But we want to see it all because, you know, we have to get all the things. It's that fear of missing out, I'm sure. And my email address is in the description box below. So just send me a picture and I'll get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. I think I gotta go right there. It doesn't help that there is an arrow going, I guess it would be right since I'm upside down. Yeah. And it's red. Of course it is. See, those show really well, but when they get it mixed up with them lines, yeah, it's not, no, not good at all. So I'm trying to stitch my way out of that area. Then we'll start over there somewhere. Yeah, I'm really shocked at this thread, or thread color, I should say. It's gorgeous. You just never know what the thread is going to actually look like until you get it stitched in. At least that's the way it happens for me. So, yeah. I think, whoops. Yep, that didn't work. I was going to say, I think I can get one more. Never mind. And we're done with that. Whoops, I just knocked my new little Ort thing off. I knew it was too light. But if I put something in it to weigh it down, when I dump it out, you know, to clean it, I'll throw whatever I had weighting it down with. Oh, geez. Maybe I'll have to find something else. We'll see. I don't know if I will get to the thrift store this week or weekend. I usually go on either Friday or Saturday. I don't know. Just haven't really made any ahead plans. We'll just keep going in this direction and maybe we can stay away from them little arrows. And I'm glad this is a partial. So that's always good. What did I stitch on yesterday? I stitched on something. The courtyard. Yeah, that's what I stitched on before I went to work. Just for a bit. I really like that one too. It's very nice. It's big, but very nice. It reminds me of that, oh, I don't know what it was called. I don't remember. Nope, I can't think. Not the harvest one. It was that one that was kind of a garden, and it had like a basket of something and a couple birds. It had like flowering bushes on both sides. I don't remember what it was called, but that one's really pretty too. And one of these days I really need to get out Mediterranean and Colorful Town. We haven't done those for a hot moment. I like them as well. That Mediterranean sure has a lot of blue in it because there's that big sea SEA area, and then all this stuff that's like in the background. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. But that sea part is going to be something else, and it's not like it's all one color either. It's got 3 or 4 symbols in it, I think. So what is everybody else working on? You working on anything exciting and fun? And are you going to go anywhere this weekend, or just stay home and veg like the rest of us? I got no desire to go walk around anywhere. Short of maybe the grocery store, but other than that, I don't even want to go to Walmart. Because that always ends bad. I always end up spending way more money than I should, so yeah, not so much. So we just kind of avoid it if we don't have to go. I like to go down there because we can go and eat at McDonald's, because I'm always up for McDonald's. Why, I'm not real sure, but yeah. My daughter's not too keen on that. It doesn't sit well with her. But I like to go. So I don't know if I'll call her today and we'll go get pizzas, or we just won't do anything. you know? It is what it is, what it is. To look at that symbol. Yep, that's what I thought. I think I'll save that half cross stitch up in the top and down below and just do all the full first, because there's not that much of it up on top to even, you know, spread it out. Yeah. We'll see. And the next thing you know, I'll be doing the half cross stitch. Because I'll panic. Whoops. Nope. Back to the arrows again. Well, for pity's sake. Oh, here's where I want to be. Like, why is that line going in the wrong direction? I get it now. It wasn't even the right symbol. And I'm glad this doesn't have a bunch of back stitch around these flowers. Of course, you could do whatever you wanted to do, you know. You could get like a darker pink and get it again. And, you know, go around the flowers if you wanted a little more definition. But we'll see. I mean, I'd have to see it, this little area completed, to know whether or not I would actually go to that trouble. So, oh well. Alright, guys. I'm going to just find a home for that and flip it around. So we got that top part. There's more of it, but it's all, I want to say wapajawed, but it's just mixed in there with the rest of those arrows. And I don't want to make any mistakes. It might be like a darker pink. I'm not sure what those arrows are. Alright, guys. Whoops. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.